Hello, welcome to today's episode of the Earth Show. And today we are going to follow up on what we talked about last week, which is about tact. And last week we talked about tact and we talked about team formation. So if you want to do anything, you want to assemble your team. And you want to look in the community for team members, people who share the same ideas as you, people who share the same interests, people who want the same outcome. These are your natural team members. You don't have to force them to do anything. You don't have to bribe them. They want the same thing you want, so it's very easy for you to get them on board. And of course, whenever something goes wrong, you want to look at that your team, because your team is responsible for making things come to fruition in your life. But before we go ahead more about this team building, I'd like to introduce you to a very, very original subject, which is also enrolling yourself as a team. You want to enroll your real self, so you want to work on yourself. You want to work on your best self. And these are not novel ideas, of course. You want to be healthy. You want to have a healthy mind. And you also want to have a healthy body. We already know that meditation is one of the things you can do to have a healthy mind. And exercise, of course, is one of the things you want to do to also have a very, very healthy body. So, but I also want to show you something which I call a G board, or a power board. This is an image. It's like a vision board, but it's more of a gratitude board. So it shows the things you've accomplished and the things you are looking to accomplish. And I'll show you a sample of the Chi board very soon. I'll show you my own sample of the Chi board so that you get an idea of what it's like. This is the Chi board, so it has me here, and it also has the things I want to accomplish and the things I already have accomplished. So here is me as a Christian. Here is me in the movie industry, and this Earth Show is a representation of me doing videos. This is me in real estate. I want to, of course, have a lot of real estate around the world. So this is a sample of a Chi board. You want to have this, and you want to have it at your home. And you want this thing to fight for you. So you don't want to break anything. Just when you look at this thing, automatically it reminds you of where you are heading and what you really want to have. Like this is me whining and dining. Of course, I want to wine and dine in the best restaurants in the world. And this is me being international, flying around the world, talking about what I'm doing. So again, the main person you want to enroll is your real self, your true self, and you do that through meditation and exercise. And if you read one of my books called Igbo Voices Advancing the Chi, it talks more about this Chi board or a power board. Thank you very much, and thanks for listening to the Earth Show. And look out and watch out for the next episode of the Earth Show. Thank you very much.